Welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. In this channel you will get videos related to different subject and topic which will help you to understand or learn more. In this channel you will get videos related to different subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science. Today we will see a video related to science subject. In that today's topic is NCERT Solution for Class 7 Science Chapter 7. The name of the chapter is Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals to Climate. Before begin with the exercise solution, let's revise what we have studied in the chapter. So let's do the summary. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather at that place. So weather is a change in day-to-day condition of the atmosphere. The weather is generally not the same on any 2 days or week after week. For example, if it is sunny in the noon, then it may be cold in the night. So it is not same any day. The maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the afternoon, while the minimum temperature occurs in the early morning. The times of sunrise and sunset also change during the year. All the changes in the weather are driven by the sun. The average weather pattern taken over a long time, says 25 years, is called the climate of the place. Okay, so climate and weather both are different. Weather means day-to-day change in the atmosphere and climate means average weather for a long period of time at a place. The tropical and the polar region are the two regions of the earth which have severe climatic conditions. Animals are adapted to the condition in which they live. The polar regions are very cold throughout the year. The sun does not set for 6 months in a year, and in the other 6 months it does not rise. Animals in the polar region are adapted to the extremely cold climate by having some special characteristics such as white fur, strong sense of smell, a layer of the fat under the skin, white and large paws for swimming and walking, etc. Migration is another means to escape the harsh cold conditions. Because of the hospitable climatic conditions, huge population of the plants and animals are found in the tropical rainforest. Animals in the tropical rainforest are adapted such that they eat different kinds of food to overcome the competition for food and shelter. Some adaptation of animals living in the tropical rainforest includes living on the trees, development of strong tails, long and large beaks, bright colors, sharp patterns, loud voice, diet of fruits, sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin, ability to camouflage in order to protect themselves from predators, etc. Now let's see the solution of the exercise of textbook. So the first question in that is, name the elements that determine the weather of a place. So the answer is temperature, rainfall and humidity. These are the three elements that determine the weather of a place. Question 2. When are the maximum and minimum temperatures likely to occur during the day? So the answer is the maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the afternoon, while the minimum temperature occurs generally in the early morning. So in the noon time, there is a hottest temperature, and in the early morning the temperature is minimum. Now question 3 is the fill in the blanks. So, the first one, the average weather taken over a long time is called a climate. A place receives very little rainfall and temperature is high throughout the year. The climate of that place will be dash and dash. So, the climate of that place will be hot and dry. The two regions of the earth with extreme climatic conditions are pole and desert. Now let's see the question 4. Indicate the types of climate of the following areas. So Jammu and Kashmir. The climate of Jammu and Kashmir is cold and wet. Kerala, hot and wet. Rajasthan, hot and dry. Northeast India, hot and wet. Question 5. Which of the two changes frequently? Weather or climate? So, day-to-day change is happen in the atmosphere is known as weather. So, frequently changes is known as weather. Question 6. Following are some of the characteristics of animal. Diets heavy on fruits, white fur, need to migrate, loud voice, sticky pads on feet, layers of fat on the skin, wide and large bright colors, strong tails, long and large beak. For each characteristics indicate whether it is an adaptation for tropical rainforest or polar regions. Do you think that some of these characteristics can be adapted for both regions? So let's see the answer. The first one is a diet heavy on fruits. So it is a tropical rainforest adaptation. White fur, polar region. Need to migrate, polar region. Loud voice, tropical rainforest. Sticky pads on feet, tropical rainforest. Layer of fat under skin, tropical rainforest. Wide and large bow, polar regions. Bright colors, tropical rainforest. Strong tail, tropical rainforest. Long and large beak, tropical rainforest. Now let's see the question 7. The tropical rainforest has a large population of animals. Explain why it is so. So the answer is the tropical rainforest has a large population of animals because of continuous warmth and rain. This region supports wide variety of plants and animals. Question 8. Explain with examples why we need animals of certain kind living in particular climatic conditions. So the answer is the organism interact with the environment to survive. So it is necessary for the organisms to have characteristics that suits the environment. Let us take the example of polar bear. Polar bears have white fur so that they are not easily visible in the snowy white background. It protects them from their predators. It also helps them in catching their prey. To protect them from extreme cold, they have two thick layers of fur. They also have a layer of fat under their skin. In fact, they are so well insulated that they have to move slowly and rest often to avoid getting overheated. Physical activities on warm days necessitate cooling. So the polar bear goes for swimming. It is a good swimmer. Its paws are wide and large, which help it not only to swim well but also walk with ease in the snow. While swimming underwater, it can close its nostril and can remain underwater for long durations. It has a strong sense of smell so that it can catch its prey for food. Next question, question 9. How do elephants living in the tropical rainforest adapt itself? So the elephant has adapted to the condition of rainforest in many remarkable ways. It uses the trunk as a nose because of which it has a strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used for picking up food. Moreover, its tusks are modified teeth, thus can tear the bark of trees that elephant loves to eat. So the elephant is able to handle the competition for food rather well. Large ears of elephant help it to hear even very soft sounds. They also help the elephants to keep cool in the hot and humid climate of the rainforest. Next question, choose the correct option which answers the following question. The carnivore with strip on its body moves very fast while catching its prey. It is likely to be found in polar region, deserts, ocean or tropical rainforest. So the answer is tropical rainforest. Which features adapt polar bears to live in extremely cold climate? So the options are a white fur, fat below skin, keen smell of sense of smell, thin skin, large eyes, a white fur, long tail, strong claw, with white large paw, white bodies, paws for moving, gills for respiration. So the answer is a white fur, fat below skin, keen smell of sense of smell. Which option best describes a tropical region? Hot and humid, moderate temperature, heavy rainfall, cold and humid, hot and dry. So the answer is hot and humid. So this was the solution of textbook exercise chapter 7 of standard 7 NCERT textbook. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.